Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can clean up your disk on Windows 11. So to do that, I'm just going to right click on the disk and press Properties, or on my keyboard just press Alt Enter. Make sure I click on the disk to view the properties. Then I'm just going to choose a disk cleanup and wait for it to load a little bit. It takes a while for my there. And it's just going to clean up your disk. This cleanup is calculating how much space you will be able to free on Windows C. This may take a few minutes to complete. So let's just wait for the disk cleanup to calculate space. So make sure you click on everything and press like clean up system files. And just press OK. And then you would have just cleaned up your disk. It'll also show you like your use space and how many free space you have on that disk. Okay, but that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!